Mark Anthony. Mark Anthony. Mark Anthony. Yun. Ang ganda ng diwan.
Bagalan mo.
Symbol. You see the flag. Flag is the founder of the symbol of the country, our country. We respect, we like, we do something special. So what we do now is a symbol of something. I will explain to you what we are going to do so that this could help them children and tell us what we are doing and why we are doing and what we are doing now. We gave already the baptismal anointing before. Now we give the post-baptismal anointing.
Yang.
Is oil.
Bitado ka.
This is called another sign. This is called why. You know, when in your table, the cloth table, a drop of oil fell down. What you see? The oil seems to grow, to expand. The table grows.